Okay, thank you.
But this application, the file will go to the different format. It is not very feasible format actually. That's why. Um,
Mm, I mean, yes, you can like zip
that-
this file and also send it to me.
which file? The video file.
The video and also this I guess this is VS Code.
Yeah, VS Code. Yeah.
Yeah, this VS Code. I mean, this project. I mean, project
Yeah.
files. Yeah.
Sure, 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 sure. I can send you. No problem.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. So we came up to this. I mean, we have created an application here, and this in this application actually we are going to have some desktop. On the desktop, pipes actually we are going to open. Okay. So here the thing is. I am going to start with one of the pipes, like uppercase pipe. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, and then here it is like the. Let us run this one also. Means first I want to see like 20. So NG serve is the one which is going to have. I mean, run this application. Okay. NG
Okay.
serve. Okay. So we are to start with the component of PS. Here I am going to do this pipe system. Um, this content here I need to take out. This content I am going to give one location. Yes. Here I am going to give some h1, some h1, and here I am giving some bindings to the binding. Here I am giving the 30 uppercase. Uppercase. So what it will do? It will filter out the application. So if you go and see the application, um, the one is like this: localhost. So pipes here I am giving some pipes. Now it became the capital letters. Okay, uppercase.
Okay.
Okay, I want to remove means I can remove this and that. I don't want this title. I can remove them. Um, if we think they are not necessary, okay, I am saving it. So here also it will go and reflect. Okay. And this one is like image. I think you know where this how this image and all. Okay. This one is like favicon. It is there here. Favicon. So from here only, actually we are getting this one.
Okay.
Okay. This is a file favicon.ico is a file where from where we are getting the I mean that logo.
Okay.
Okay, and so it will be called in the index.html. From this index.html, from there only actually we are getting this one. Okay, here from the here app root, in this app root only we are having this. Having this one. Finally, we'll get this logo and it will come and sit here. This image only. This is the image. Okay, if you want to delete also, you can delete them. Some sort of if you don't like this, only pipes we can find. Okay, this is for the uppercase pipe. Okay. Going to start one there. Details. Okay, here pipes details. Here first of all, I have converted the title from where this title came. This came from the this one here. Okay, if you want to give your name to, you can give your name. Pipes. I'm giving some info like this. I want to convert everything into the uppercase. Okay.
Okay.
So this is the first one is like heading. This one is the heading. Okay. So the next pipe is like lowercase. How to convert a title into the lowercase? Actually, this title, whatever we are having here, it is the format of mixed cases like uppercase as well as lowercase. So firstly, we have converted those things to the uppercase. Now we are going to convert this to the lowercase. How to convert means we have to go to the same. Here we are giving like lowercase. First, we'll go slowly. Though you are, you already learn all these topics. We just go to. We will just refresh everything slowly,
Okay.
and we will go for the advanced one. Okay. And if you see now, all the things are converted to the lowercase. Okay. And a part of that, we have a currency pipe. That one is like this actually. Currency pipes are something like gold. And here like some kind of I have given some 7 pipe currency. See USD. Okay. So if you think like this, see if everything is converted to the US dollars currency. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. So a part of it, if we want to convert to the okay, and this is like directly we are giving, right? And we can able to this is one kind of showcasing the USD and currency. And one more thing we have, that is like a date pipe. That is like this actually. Date pipe. It is something like today date. Okay, today date. Actually, I have to declare this one. This is a variable. Now I am going to declare this variable in the component.ts. Here I am going to declare that date of today. Second date. Okay, date today, and here I am going to give the new date. Okay, here So I have given no date, and here like so whatever the current date, it will be happening. It will be coming for this date today. If you see today, we will see that in the console. Is not accepted. Okay, we will see that now in the UI. Here, if you see today date is the one what we have declared in the TS. Now we are going to see how can we apply the filter for that, like to date, date, and we have to give like colon, and after that we have to give d/m/y. So how it will display is one and one letter of the month, and also 1 month and one date, and also to give the total year. So if you see now, it's like DMNY d/x/y, and then here it is like going to buy, and then here this we're going to give date today, yeah, which is date today, and here it is. Okay. This is our okay, but I will break this one with this /br. Okay. Oh. This one breaking. Okay, now it's a different one. Okay, this one is for date. Okay, and this is for, we'll separate it, otherwise currency. Okay, and this is for lowercase, and this is for uppercase. Okay, this is how they are separated. Okay, so yeah,
Can you go once again in the TS of that date? I mean,
okay.
okay.
I just got the date alone. It fetches the current date. Okay.
Okay.
And a part of it, we have one more filter like for the date. That is like this. One more filter for the date. That is B. I'm going to do some date today, and then I'm going to give that a short time date, and then it's like short time, and it will be like this, right?
Mm,
Oh, sorry, 1 second. Some problems. Just have given a short time there, and it should be. I'm breaking that. Will be having time. Just I'm getting that time, actually, the current time, whatever the time it is.
okay.
And apart of it, we have one more filter, not that is decimal pipe, that we are yeah, decimal pipe. Okay. For this decimal pipe, we are having uppercase, lowercase, and also decimal pipe. Here we are going to see how pipe. So here I am going to mention the number, some 454, some kind of some 8989, eight, some pipe I have given, some decimal I have given, and I am going to pipe that, filter the amount like this actually, number, colon. So what it will do, it will give like number, colon, and then I am going to give like three, some kind of three dot, some two, hyphen two. So what it will do, it will give the three is a main integer, and four to four are, I mean, this two and two, two are for the integers to be displayed. So how like it will get displayed is like you know like 4454 dot the next two, I mean two things, next two decimals it will get displayed, this 89.
Okay.
So we select this one.
But what was the purpose of 3.2 hyphen 2?
We are rounding actually here. We are rounding the value of the third, second, and the second. Means it will round the value of these two. See, if you go for directly for the two, so like it will zero give one, zero, one, and two. Okay.
Okay.
So if I go for the three, yeah, it will show like the up to roundable elements. Suppose if I go and get the 4 hyphen 4, what it will do, it will round up the total one. So like this, if I go for 2 and 2, so it will round up to the 90. 89 is like 90. Okay, that approximate nearest value, it will go and round it.
Okay.
So this is like for the decimal pipe, and we have one more pipes like JSON pipe we have, that is like this. This pipe we have here, it is like this, like first I want to declare one JSON. Then I mean this. First I want to declare a JSON here in this TS. They are like JSON. Some new one I am going to create. Here I am going to give something like this, some kind of name, colon, some term, and I am giving some kind of ID. Here I am giving some 201, and mm, yeah,
Name.
this is the and also one some kind of address I am giving. Address I am giving, and here it is like USA. I am giving comma. Okay. So these are the T property sites there in the JSON. Now I am going to read this JSON to the front end. Okay, how to
Okay.
read this? Like B, some kind of starting, and here I am going to give the, and here I am going to JSON new. JSON new is the one what we are having, and from that I am giving the pipe known as JSON. So it will be displayed as it is, like how the JSON, whatever the JSON we are getting to the I mean from the backend. So it will automatically validate also. Suppose if you are not giving a valid JSON, it will push the error here only. Yeah, likewise it will push the error. Suppose if I am giving some kind of if I am not giving this one and then I'm directly going and then saving, it won't save it because it will validate it automatically in the Angular.
Okay.
So multi-dimensionals also we can able to give here some multi. I mean, not only this one object oriented to object. I mean, this also we can mention here like more than one tree. Likewise, also we can mention and save the same JSON and we can read it. Okay, so it's like this some kind of John. Not so okay. It's not like only one entry, multiple entries also we can able to show to the front end, which is JSON pipe. Okay, and
Yes.
one more is like we have percentage pipe that is like this. Then this is directly we can read it here. Okay, here it's like double, and then I am going to use some 87, sorry, some kind of uh, point some 0.00 dot some 98, 98.33. I'm giving it this. Yeah, it's like an percentage it will calculate. Okay. Okay. And also and we have one more pipe is that is slice pipe. This one I didn't give the percentage. It's not percentage. Okay, likewise we'll get the percentage also.
Okay.
Okay, and
Okay.
we have one more. This is like percentage. Okay, and one more we have that is like slice pipe. That one is like this. Slice pipe. Like if you want to starting from the what the slice pipe will do, it will slice the I mean the entries what it is having from the start index to the end index. Okay,
Okay.
I will show you with some example so that you will be having more clarity. And here it is like this. The current I have given so let me take some uh, values here, some kind of years or something year. Years I have taken on some kind of array here, and I am giving some 1990, 1990, 1991, 1992, 1993, 1994. I have given some kind of years this array I have created in the back. Now in the front I am going to get this like years, this pipe, and then sorry, first we have to start like this, and then we have the years pipe, sorry, pipe, and here we want to use a slice is one colon, some kind of three array. So let's column, there should be column. So one end
What will be the purpose of this one?
you can
Yes.
yeah slice like if you want to eliminate some entries.
Okay.
So,
Can you show can you
yeah.
show the TS file?
Oh yeah, yes. Well, this is like this. No, 90,
Okay.
92. From the first entry, this is like zero. Three entries like
Okay.
one column three. Like
Yes.
yeah, it's like uh, one and one column three. Three is the last one. Okay.
Okay.
From the one it will start and it will give the 991 and I mean 1991 as well as 1992 to the output.
Okay.
Let us think like you have given here only uh, one colon one. So, so what will happen? The first one already you have taken it out. That's why you need to go for the second one. So from there onwards you will get it. Let us think you have some kind of three. So the third value up to second and third values it will be brought up
Okay.
and it will eliminate the first one where you are starting. And if you give the 4 and take out the 4 values, if you give like some to column 4 and it's like this 992 993 because after
Okay.
that only two entries are there. Yeah, there is no much entries after that. If you see one you can find cannot find like it's like two it should be at least. Yeah, 190. Okay. Okay, this is how it will here. It will slice the from the starting of the index to the end of the index. It will refer. It will take the values of the reference of the starting and ending index, and it will start. I mean, getting the data. And the first index should be the lesser. I mean, lesser than the second index. So these two are the index values actually. This one and two are the index values. From the first index and second index, it will read and then it will display the data. Here, our index is like the zero index is not there, and first index and second index. That is the one we are displaying. If you go to zero, we will be finding the first index. Zero, I mean zero and 992. We have some three value here. Totally three will get. We have
Okay.
so totally five. We have. I think the total array you will get it. Okay. This is
Okay.
how it will work the pipes actually. And apart of it, we have some square root pipe also. Mm, square root pipe. Here, square root pipe. Here we are having like this P, and also here we are having QRT, and here we are having, and here we are having like some kind of 25 square root QRT. What will happen? We show the value of the 25 square. One second. I think there's some problem with this. It should be coming, but I think it is deprecated from because I will check this and come back to you. Okay, for this, but
Okay.
no, I think just keep it in mind. Like I will see this sometime. But it should be coming. Square root is one of the pipe actually. I think we have to get it. I think so. It is a custom pipe. It is not. It is not a straight pipe. It is a custom pipe. One is like we have to create a pipe actually. That pipe we want to call. So you can create a mm, mm, so if it's okay. We'll create one pipe otherwise. SQRT. Yes. To create one pipe here like this actually. Import pipes. Import pipe, comma, transform. A transform okay, from angular curve. Rectangular slash curve. Here I am going to do like a okay. I'm going to use here pipe, and then here I am going to use the name as SQRT. Okay, and mention it that, and then one SQRT. This export class SQRT pipe implements pipe transform. Okay, here I am going to mention the transformation of that pipe, what it is, value, number, colon, number, and I'm going to mention the then here I'm going to add dot sqrt and I'm going to give the value here, that whatever the value it is passing. This is how you want to write one pipe actually, custom pipe, and here we are going to use in the app module. We want to mention this in the app module like this. So suppose here import, but here I am going to use sqrt pipe, whatever it is there, whatever it is mentioned, pipe from where, from the same folder pp.sqrt. Okay, and I am going to use that in the declarations. The declarations I want to give comma sqrt pipe, and what I want to give here is like, so this is the pipe I have added to the application, and I'm going to use the same here. So, so the thing is, and here it is. So it's like this now. It's like this now. So it will be pipe transform from the Angular code at pipe name sqrt, and then export class sqrt implements the pipe transform, and then transforming that value. Okay, that is transform that value. Not a problem. And I have given number and then written the math.sqrt and the value. Okay. So we are getting this somewhere the syntax is wrong. That's what it is telling.
I just wanted this export class sqrt pipe.
Export class sqrt.
In the pipe, in the app.sqrt ts, yes. I guess sqrt should be small.
It is mentioned as small here. Small. The modules how it is.
Okay.
Declaration is correct only.
Yes.
And, I think it's in the same folder, but it should be so this is like this now. There's a message text. Unexpected pipe SQRT imported by the app module. Unexpected. The app module. Unexpected pipe imported. App module. App module. What is this app module? So it's correct only. But it should be there. The declarations. Yeah. Sorry, man.
Okay,
This is a
yeah.
custom. This is custom pipe actually.
Yes. Okay, okay, okay.
Okay.
Can you show me once again the TS file of this
Okay.
pipe?
Okay. 1 second. This one.
Yeah. So here my question from you will be, is there a command uh, from which we can create
CLI.
a pipe?
Yeah, it's like NGP pipe name. I think so. NGCP pipe name. There is one.
Oh,
There is some one CLI command.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So here, like we can create our own uh,
Yeah.
pipe
Pipe.
and then we can use it.
Yeah. We
So
can create. Yeah.
in this code, like you are saying that export class scare root pipe,
Ah.
SQRT pipe. So
Ah.
this class, this is basically our class which we have created.
Yeah. This is our class. Means we
Okay.
have created customly, but even though if we are mentioning that pipe, it is applicable.
Okay.
It will be like ng. It's like this. Actually, ng generate g for generate. If you want to do from the CLI pipe and a pipe name.
Okay.
So this will be the if you go and if you want to do some more, take some one more and then give the here I am going to give ng g pipe. I am going to use some SQ. If I do like this directly, one more pipe was generated. See, this is the spec file. This is the one. This is the pipe.
Okay.
Yeah, but I have directly coded that. Yeah.
Okay. 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 Yeah,
Uh,
got it.
yeah. Directly you want to call this file in the declarations. I mean, here it's already got CPC. I generate like that, it will automatically comments it here.
Okay.
This is like a custom pipe and normal pipes. Two kinds of pipes actually we have.
Okay. Yeah, got it.
Yeah, and one more like binding. We'll see. So you are aware about the binding rate, single way and also two-way binding and also one-way binding.
Yes, I have a knowledge of it.
Yeah,
But
yeah,
honestly speaking, I don't have too much of, hands-on of experience.
yeah. That's okay.
I haven't implemented, but that's why I have a major problem of like sometimes I forget the things after doing it.
Yeah, you can go through the things like one after the other means learning. Then that will help. It's not such difficult. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you can go through the class and then practicing. It will give you the make it will make you perfect. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Like so we'll go for a data binding. Yeah. So it's like TS file. I'm going to give the kind of month. I'm going to give here. I am giving like some January, comma June, May. Alhamdulillah, three I have taken here. And now I want to bind it to the front end. How to bind it to the this month's value to the front end means like I want to get them like one after the other. Generally, if you have like title, you can directly two-way bind it to the front end, and then you can get the title here, right? Like it's now if you are having a single value, you can do like that. Let us think like if you have multiple values, okay, then it's a combination of multiple values. And that point of time, how can you iterate and get this through the ng for you can get the values actually. ng for so it's like this actually. Select and here I am going to give the option. Select option is nothing but it's like an um, a drop down box actually. Okay,
Okay.
in this drop down box I am going to give this option. I am going to give the ng for here. I am going to mention like let some kind of month, one month of months. So what will happen, whatever the values available for the month, you will be getting to the front end actually. So here, in second, there might be some syntax error. 1 second. I'm going to give the variable what we are passing. So now you will get this July, June, and May.
Okay.
This is like an data binding. We call this as data binding, where we are making with the curling braces, and we are binding to the front end. Okay.
Okay.
And one more thing is like we have one more binding we have, that is event binding we have, that is
Okay.
like this. Suppose if we have somebody is clicking on some button or something, because of that some click event should happen. With that click event, there will be change. There will be some change in the UI. So such kind of event we will see. Now, one second, I will write the code and show. So I am giving this is for the event binding. Okay, and here I am going to give some click. It will be mentioning in the single braces actually. Okay, and here I am going to give the some function, and I am going to give the value dollar event. This is the current event, whatever it is there. This dollar event will capture. That is an I mean generally a dollar event, it will mention like this event. This event means if you click on that button, it will be that is one event that will be captured in the dollar event. Dollar event is like a notation, you can take like it is a system defined notation where
Okay.
your event is capturing.
Okay.
Okay, and here I click on me, and here I'm going to write the logic for the FUNC, that function. Okay, it's like this actually, FUNC, and I'm going to do like event, and here I have to mention, and here I have to mention some alert, something you can mention like you have clicked on event. Okay, let us think like if you click on it, you will get an alert box. You have clicked on event. This is an event based logging actually, event based function. So this is
Can you
about,
go on HTML of this? Yes, I wanted to see.
yeah, sure.
Okay, okay, okay. Dollar event.
Yeah. So you practice this one today. We'll go ahead with the next classes.
Okay.
Yeah, I will send you this file now, so that we can. Okay, fine, right?
Yeah. Can you go one more of data binding, because these binding two will be combined. So next we can go with the
Data binding. This one.
yes. I mean, if you can, okay, okay, this one is data binding. Okay, okay, okay. Data
Yeah.
binding, and this is event binding.
Event binding.
Okay. And one thing more.
Yeah, tell me.
It's just give me the concept. Let's suppose there are two drop down boxes. One
Okay.
is with the countries and other is with the states.
Okay.
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 So, oh, I mean, if someone is collecting, I mean, clicking on US from the countries, how
Okay.
the other box will be automatically populated
Populated.
from the states? How it will be done?
How it will be done is like you have to pass the value of that respective to the JSON. Let us think like I have this months here. Okay,
Okay.
this is let us think like the month is July.
Okay.
See if I am having this month is July.
Yes.
Let us think I have one more. Hmm, okay. Okay, fine. Let us think like here only, in this binding only. Uh, it is like I am giving some kind of click event here. Okay, I am giving one click event here. Don't get confused. Okay, here I am giving some click event. I am writing validation, validate, and I am giving some event. Okay, so here I am giving some kind of function. What is that function? Function name is validate, and sorry, validate. Here I am giving some event.
Okay.
Here I am giving. Okay, sorry. 1 second. I think I have to change the validate month. I have to change the month. I'm going to give here validate month. I cannot write the total logic actually. I will tell you roughly how it will happen. See, it is like this. Suppose here you have the months of the value of the months value already you are having here. This dot months. Okay, but this should be declared here. Out actually the constructor or somewhere should be declared. Okay, let us think. This function not necessary. I am having some months. Um, month value is equal to. It's not like this. This MON will be having the. Can I tell you that with some other example tomorrow?
Yes, yes, yes. You can do that.
Yeah, because
Yes.
I need some space or time to do it.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah, it is something like you want to suppose based on the one's output, you are giving the value of the other output. Then you need
Yes.
to have two different JSONs.
Okay.
One JSON I mean, let us think like one JSON is having US data. I mean, only countries data. So
Yes.
if that is selected, if that month is selected, then what I want to do, I want to call, suppose if the US is selected in that countries, so what I want to do, I want to give the input to the next select statement as the uh, other other JSON, that I mean some kind of San Francisco or California, this kind of state details I want to mention with I mean in the other JSON. So based on the one's input, the other JSON will be loaded. If we need to have, I need some time for that because I need at least some 1 hour of time for that to do it.
Okay, okay, okay. Yeah, 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 yeah. It was, yeah. Thank you.
I, I,
Thank you.
I will tell you
And,
that
and
tomorrow.
okay, and one thing more, how many types of binding there are? Like this is event binding, data binding,
Data
and
binding, yeah, we have one more like NG model that I will tell you tomorrow.
okay,
NG model,
okay,
and also a part of it. Yeah, these are different bindings. One is event binding and also data binding. These are the
okay,
important. Yeah,
okay, okay,
yeah, you can go ahead with the coding. Uh,
okay.
I will. I'll be sharing this document to you.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I sent you the document. I mean,
Okay, okay,
just do npm install and then go ahead with the coding by comparing the code. Yeah,
okay.
yeah. Hello, Afaq.
Hello.
Yeah, yeah. I think you can start the. I mean, sharing, and then we can